What's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can lock apps on your Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell while you're down there. With that said, let's get right to it. So I'm going to show you how you can lock apps on your Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max. So you can do this with any app that you want to lock. Could be banking apps, social media apps, you name it. Let's say we want to lock Snapchat, for example. All you have to do is press and hold on it until the menu appears, then a release. And here you're just going to select require passcode right here. Go ahead and select it. Now, if you don't have a passcode to access your phone, you are going to have to set one up. And that's what this is pretty much telling you right here. So let's go ahead and set it up by hitting go to passcode settings. Here we're going to scroll down and we're going to select turn passcode on right here. Here we're going to type in the passcode that you want to use. Okay, it's going to ask us to verify it. Give it a few seconds and there you go. Your iPhone will now have a passcode. Okay, so every time you want to get in, you have to enter the password. All right, so once you have that set up, now we can try it again. So we're going to press and hold on Snapchat. Now we're going to select require passcode. And here we're just going to select require passcode. Here it's going to ask you to confirm that passcode. And there you go. Snapchat now will be locked. So if you hand your phone over to anyone and they try to access that specific app, Snapchat, it's going to lock them out of the phone and they're going to need to know your passcode. If they try to access other apps, they will work just fine. It's only for these specific apps that you manually lock. All right, everyone. So that is how you can lock apps on your Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max. Go ahead and hit that button if this video helped you and comment down below and let me know if it did. And if you want an epic custom wooden phone case for your phone like these, check out the links down below in the description. That's all for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. And as always, peace.